And here's something that's interesting to notice here. When we looked at the ratio of a smoker to a non-smoker, we had the ratio of 1.08, and I've just rearranged the terms here to say the risk for a smoker is 1.08 times the risk for a non-smoker. Similarly, when we looked at age and when we looked at 51-year-old versus 50-year-old, we had the hazard for the 51-year-old is 1.01 times the hazard for the 50-year-old. And now these terms 1.08 and 1.01 are simply the exponent of the weights that are attached to those variables. So with the smoker variable, we have 0.08, and we have 1.08 as the risk ratio between the smoker and the non-smoker. And similarly, we have 0.01 as the weight associated with the age term. And for that, we have the risk increase be 1.01 from 50 to 51. And so what we can tell from our calculations over here is that the x of the weight is actually the risk factor increase for a unit increase in the variable. And what this meant for smoker was going from 0 to 1. That was a unit increase in that variable. And for age, it meant going from 50 to 51, but that could have been 40 to 41, or that could have been 42 to 43, and the result would have been the same, is that the hazard ratio of a person who was 43 years old is going to be 1.01 times the hazard of a person who was 42 years old.